All right, we're here with DRB Homes today with Rob, and we're going to go through a home that just got the final walkthrough done so you can see what the finished product looks like back here. This is with DRB Homes down in Greenleigh, and this is going to be the Utah model here that we're going to look at. All right. So let's come on in here. Got these nice floors all the way throughout. All the way through. Recessed lights, crown molding, 9-foot ceilings. All that stuff is pretty standard, I'm thinking, right?
A lot of this is standard. There's some upgrades on the main level here. There's a few extra lights. A lot of this LVP is standard, but the office and the great room don't come with it. The rest of the main level does come with it.
Gotcha. It's got a double oven, so you got your gourmet kitchen. Is it first floor office over here?
Yeah, first floor office right here.
All right. Some nice office here. Come on through the back. And I think we have the garage back here and mudroom. So you have your garage and mudroom. And then we're going to head downstairs, see what the basement. Well, we'll go upstairs first. Let's go upstairs. See what the basement looks like when we go down there. Got your nice box hardwood stairs. These look so nice.
Yeah, I agree.
They really a nice finish to them. And then you have the same floors up here. There's probably an upgrade. Looks like a loft area. Then you have your owner's suite. That's pretty big.
Yeah.
It's a nice size. Look at that shower. Wow. Nice shower. His and her sinks. Got your seat in the shower. And you got a nice big walk-in closet in here. Starting to see this more and more in the new homes with the closets being in the bathroom.
Yeah, through the bathroom, yeah.
Starting to see it more and more.
I like it.
Yeah, well, what's good is if you got to get dressed and, your significant other doesn't have to. You don't have to wake them up.
Yep.
Third level laundry.
Yep.
And then here's the hall full bath. Got the tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling. Nice elongated toilets. Nice floors. All right, so you got the loft, and then over here is just the other bedrooms, right?
Yep.
Bedroom 2 and 3. People can come and see those. All right, head down the basement. See what we got down here. It's a workout. Nice big area in here. All right. Is these 9-foot ceilings down here too?
They are. We've got 8-foot ceilings are standard in the lower level.
Okay.
And they've upgraded to 9 in here.
It's a smart move.
Yeah.
Really makes you feel bigger. And you can get the weight sets in here and all the kids' toys with the basketball hoops and everything.
Yeah.
All right.
So this is a rec room here.
Nice big basement.
And then we've got
egress window.
We've got
another bedroom.
Bedroom and bath that optional.
Full bath.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, nice big bathroom.
Yeah, it's always nice. You can never have too many bathrooms. Especially if you have out-of-town guests to come in. They want to stay. Yeah, and you got an egress window here too. So this could be a bedroom, or you could use this as another office and have 2 offices in the house. So, awesome. All right, well, I think that's pretty much it for this one. So, anything else you want to say, or?
No, great neighborhood. Greenleigh's a real popular neighborhood. Right now we've got 5 single family homes left for sale.
Right.
One coming for March of 2025 real soon, and then still 4 that you can build and choose selections on for later in the year.
Awesome.
Great neighborhood though.
Awesome. Awesome. All right. Well, we'll see you again soon with another house.
Yes,
Take
sir.
care.